I do really well with my team. I've trained like all the dogs in the area.
Good morning, Chico. Delicious coffee, buddy. Good morning, buddy. This is my daily routine, guys. Wake up, walk the dog, go take a Starbucks, and drink the coffee just on the side of this gorgeous view, Vancouver. Look at that. This is my favorite part, buddy. When I arrive here, I'm from Quebec, Canada, and it's impossible to find palm tree anywhere in Canada. But you know what? In Vancouver, buddy, it's possible because it's West Coast, bitch. Honey? Palm tree. Make me dream. It's important to dream, guys. All my life, I dream about everything, and every time I start to think about something I want to do, and I do it, I succeed. So that's why I made a daily vlog every day. You're gonna follow my journey, buddy. Fat to fit. Eh? Look, this delicious cappuccino with my banana, and this is the view I have every morning, buddy. Best moment of the day. Good morning, buddy. Today it's gonna be a great day, guys. So I always eat a banana, okay, with my coffee. Today, anyway, everything I'm gonna eat is gonna be in the description on my YouTube channel, okay, guys? So today we're gonna eat the same thing than yesterday: ribeye steak, mushroom, broccoli, avocado, and a small potato. Today, maybe we're gonna change the potato for a small rice. Eh? So banana, ribeye steak with avocado, broccoli, mushroom, and a small rice. And later, maybe eggs and a protein shake. I bought 5 different protein shake. I'm gonna show you banana, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate, and cookie cream. Okay, buddy? So this is what I'm gonna show you. This is every day, a daily vlog about my life. So you're gonna see me later live streaming, cooking the food. After that, I'm gonna walk downtown, digest the ribeye steak. And after that, I'm going to the gym. Maybe if I have time, I'm gonna start to play video game. But it's impossible for me if I wanna do this amazing journey to play 8 hours of video game. Make no sense. Potato, broccoli, mushroom, ribeye steak with Montreal spice, beefsteak. I'm gonna put some green onion on the top. We have an avocado and we have a small rice. We live stream. Look at that. Hello to the people. Avocado, rice, steak, ribeye steak, potato, mushroom, broccoli. So after walking 2 hours outside, I play video game, Arc Raider, buddy. And after that, it's the gym, buddy. Look, the sunset, buddy, of my gorgeous view with Chico. Chico, are you ready for the gym? Let's go. Voila, buddy. Day 2 gym. I'm already at day 2, buddy. Yesterday and today, buddy. Huh? Is it great? This is my daily life now. That's why I made a vlog every day in case you miss my food, my walk outside Vancouver, my gym, my shake, or my video game. Every day. No matter what. When you have a dream, when you have a goal, you focus, buddy. Not easy, là. Ouch, my pec, buddy. But we made it. So let's go home. Let's finish the vlog with a delicious shake, buddy. Eh, you have muscle, buddy? Yes. Muscle, buddy. Chocolate today. Chocolate today. Yesterday was vanilla. Today, chocolate, buddy. So the goal, buddy, it's focus every day. I'm gonna struggle for sure, but I will know that if I struggle, I will not achieve my ultimate goal. Be in shape. Okay, buddy? So you do see that this is the vlog daily. Every day I'm gonna do a vlog like that. You say boring, it's always the same thing. No, buddy, because when you focus, you're gonna have reward because you're consistent. Did you see that? Coffee, banana, steak, and shake. Come on, buddy. And I'm live every day. Live cooking, live at the gym, video game, walking downtown Vancouver. And I just did a video, a live stream about my shake. And this is my vlog. Don't tell me it's boring. If it's boring, it's not for you, buddy. No stress, no worry, buddy. Fuck off. Okay, buddy? I love you. Never let everybody discourage you. And don't forget, the worst enemy, buddy, it's yourself. So focus and see you tomorrow. Love you, buddy.